That's harvest log on day 15 and it's the 3rd of August. Very wet start this morning, really dewy, so we went off to cut the remaining 40 hectares of spring peas, destined for a can of mushy peas coming to the supermarket near you later in the year. Pretty abysmal yield, but at least they're done and in the barn. Quality looks good though, real nice bright colour to them. Probably yielded about 50% of what we were expecting them to do, so it's a bit disappointing. Back on the Skyfall wheat now, so this is the last field of Skyfall that we've got to do, so it's great to get that in good conditions and in good weather. It has a potential to sprout if it gets too wet, a problem that some farms had last year. So it's always a relief to get that particular variety in. It's coming in off the combine about 14.2, so we're not needing to do any drying. And tomorrow we've got one little small block of Crusoe left to do, and then that'll be the milling wheat all wrapped up, safely put in the shed. Yeah, there's about another 2.5 hectares here to do tonight, and that'll do us tonight. And then we can get the combine serviced up, greased up, fueled up in the morning and get it moved before we lose any time for combining in the heat of the day.